Behind me is Los Claveles Hotel, and I'm just going to take a wee walking tour around the area, and I'm going to take you to the Pasarela Mall and the Mirador Strip. So let's check it out. The hotel. It's a very hot morning. It's about 10 AM roughly. And it's going to get hotter. Yesterday morning it was quite cloudy and overcast, so it was bearable. But I've been out of the room 10 minutes and sweat is pouring out me. I should say I'm not actually staying at the Claveles, I'm staying at the Mirage Hotel, which is like a disabled friendly hotel. Just out here doing a whole series of videos, from Los Cristianos to Las Americas and Costa del over there in the distance. I don't know if you can see it, it's Paradise Park Hotel. It's a 4-star. I have to say, I do love Tenerife. It's a lovely place. Weather's great all year round. It's really nice. So it's great to be back. And this time, for the first time, I'm filming it for you all. So hope you enjoy. Now, I will say, I'm not the expert in Tenerife. For that, really, Scotsman Kevin, that's your man. It was previously known as Scotsman in Tenerife, but he wisely changed his name, and it leads him to a bit more open. You can go a lot more different places. Me, I started out with JetsetDan, and I've changed that a couple of times, but I'm going to settle for JetsetDan. It sticks out. So, let's see. Now, at the time of filming, I am still not monetised. I have spent an absolute fortune to get to this stage, and I had to start again. So, I felt I did a few mistakes when I first did it, but I think I'm on track. But my new channel is taking off a wee bit better, so it's looking promising. Early days, but it's looking promising. So, I'll just show you. You can see Paradise Park a bit closer. Did a video from that to, I'm going to get this wrong, it's from there to Montetia Fita. I think that's right, it's roughly that. I find it hard to say in one continuous thing without doing it slowly. But that's basically just an observation point, and you can see a wee bit of Los Cristianos, but it's mostly Las Americas you see. I'll just take this wee shortcut, the trees give a wee bit of shade. Last time I was here it was over a year ago, and it was in May, and it was pretty hot. This is June, so it's going to be way hotter. And it's only our second day here. In case you're wondering, Jacqueline's back at the hotel. Just let me go out and do a wee bit of filming. At the time of filming, the World Cup was on, and we stayed up late to watch Scotland get beat. Yeah, playing Morocco last night. I'm not a football fan, but we were in Dillon's and we'd reserved a table for it, so aye, it was good that we did that. Good atmosphere, it's a really nice pub, really enjoyed it, the staff are very friendly, They were great with Jacqueline helping her. The only problem is it's quite a narrow, well, most of the pubs in the Mirador Strip are quite narrow, so if it's full, it's a wee bit hard to get people out the way so Jacqueline in her wheelchair can get by. But once you're by that, it's no problem. It's the thing about going about with somebody in a wheelchair, especially Benidorm's the worst for this. You tap somebody on the shoulder and you think they're going to attack you. Do you know what I mean? But as soon as they see what I mean, most people are fine and it's great. Anyway, I'm just going to show you. Here, this is the start of the Pasarela Shopping Centre. Here's the supermarket. You can go in that way. Looking down here, wee cafe, restaurant, I think you can get burgers. La Media Luna, hamburgers, pizzas, fajitas, fish, pasta. Here's the entrance to the mall. I'll just show you briefly. Oh, and there's music playing. It's going to get a copyright strike, I think. So I just need to talk all the way through it. There's not much in here really, but there is the alcohol and tobacco shop there. Clothes shops for women. There's a barber's. There's a chemist. Well, I think it's a chemist. Aye, it's a chemist. Aye. A pharmacy if you want. Aye. I was in earlier trying to get a hat, but it don't do anything. There's nowhere it does hats in it. So see. I always mention this in my videos if I'm passing here. This Chinese Asian bistro is really nice. Highly recommend it. There's excursions and money exchange. There's Chicago's. I think it's a kind of sports bar, Chicago's. They do music as well. That's a good bar. And up there is the Hoops Bar in Highland Paddock, which unfortunately is shut just now. Just go down here, and this is the Mirador Strip. I love this wee strip, but I have to say I don't think anything beats the Benidorm Strip. Aye, the Benidorm Strip's pretty cool. Maybe Vegas, the Vegas Strip, that beats it. That's the place I've been, Vegas beats it. Forgot about that one. Right, there's Gigi's. Victoria Restaurant, Steakhouse. Oh, look at that, son.
Yeah, we have actually. Thank you.
There's a good wee gift shop. There's Taylor Sports Bar. This is on Cardiac Hill, and you get down there to the front and it'll take you to the waterfront. Don't think I've ever seen this place open. There's a wee bar down here. The bar's this, the vault. Looks like a nice wee place actually. looks like a kind of sports bar restaurant. See darts in the background. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed this walk. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm always trying to improve, so any tips, any criticisms, more than welcome. Meanwhile, I'd just like to say, check out, if you've never seen him, check out Scotsman Kevin. Great guy, I've messaged him a couple of times. Not actually met the man yet, and he's the man that inspired me to do this. So give him a wee look and give a wee like and a couple of comments, it'll help the guy out. He's doing way better than me, to be fair, but it's nice to help people out. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.